Yo, unani? Unani bali?
Kamba.
Next.
Skipper.
Bana next bali. Boy, ngithi ngizokuthola ungeke.
Zoga.
Yeah.
Movement digit.
How are you?
I'm good and you?
I'm fine.
When the man came running, I was like, yeah. You live here?
Yeah.
You live here now?
Now, yeah.
You lie.
Yes. Hey, what's happening YouTube? It is your boy, Kamkala Rex, and you know that, guys, I'm back with another video, and I'm back with another banger. So yeah, guys, today we're gonna be going to my friend, right? My old friend, right? We're gonna be going to my old friend. While I was in Kzn and we were chatting, and like we were on video calls, we were on calls and everything, right? So now today, like, I'm back from KZN, from KZN, right? No, I'm not. I'm back to Josie. You understand? I'm back from Josie. Hey, what am I saying? It doesn't make sense. But guys, I'm back now. I'm at Johannesburg. I'm in Gauteng now, right? So he doesn't know at that time, guys. He doesn't know that the boy is back, right? So we want to see his reaction when we get there, right? If maybe his reaction will be real or fake, you understand? So to show that he truly did miss the boy, right? If then he's not, guys, y'all know that the boy is a fake friend, right? He's a fake friend. If his reactions as fakes, guys, sometimes you see the fake reactions, right? So you guys are going to see it too. So right, guys, let's go there, Clayville, and see how he reacts on the boy, that the boy is back. Stop. Hey yo, guys, we just landed here right now. Like at the moment, like I've just arrived. I just landed in Clayville, so like yeah, man, I think like I should go really quick, fast. So yeah, I thought maybe I'll be here after sunset, maybe the dark. I'll arrive here in the darkness and everything, but now it's still light in the morning. So yeah, I mean earlier on, guys, I don't know, man, but yeah, man, it is what it is, right? So we just like couple stairs now, about to go upstairs and everything, right? So yeah, guys, it is what it is. You see, so yeah, it is what it is, man. It is what it is. You see, steps and everything. So yeah. Rafi, Bambelela, Safi. You see his reaction. I want to see the boy's reaction. If only he is there, man. But if he's not there, man, you know what? Fuck. Shit. Yo, unani? Unani bali?
Kamba.
Next.
Skipper.
Bana next bali.
Boy,
ngithi ngizokuthola ungeke.
Zoga.
Yeah, ngishaya vlog vandaag en ngibona uboy. Ngibona usi awubukele abo smiley, abo what. If you guys know this thing, this channel and everything. But guys, we won't be watching Abu Smiley whereas I'm there, right? Whereas I'm there, guys. Angeke asikwazi. So ke lokho tricks la namhlanje. So welcome to Fetrix la namhlanje. Okay, let me see something. So welcome to Fetrix namhlanje. Hayi lento yakho le. Hayi lento yakho le amfana next mfana.
Right. Sekuya host you no.
Yeah.
Yenze
Ne?
imali.
Ne?
Ayapushiya.
Yo mfana. Ayo.
Ubhekisa wena.
Yeah, no. Yimanje isikhathi sami manje. Angeke kuzodlala bo smiling khona. Ngipromote izinto snacks la.
Sesofela ukuthi isivakashi.
Sesofela lokho. Hey yo guys. Do you know this channel? Do you know this channel guys? If you guys know this channel, then it is what it is. No. It's fresh as the stove, but
Yes,
yeah. It's fresh.
Guppies.
Yeah.
Bayabamba.
Ne? Ngiyazibonela. Uva lo mntana lo. Lesisakho lesi. Hayi man nomngane wakho uRithabile. Yeah.
Uthabile bekumele ngabezwakala manje.
Umtshela zela umtshela ukuthi ngikhona uzoshesha.
Yeah, guys, please make sure you subscribe and like, comment, share this on this video so you can get notified next time I go live. I mean, next time I this. You can get notified next time I go live. I mean, next time I go. Before, so today is the day, guys. So, go first.
Yes sir guys, Kamkhala Fried Rex izolo bengisibukela lapha. I was like yo, fit one day. It's okay.
Hello guys, my name is Lindsay and I'm level 2.
I'm coming.
I'm going to be joining you today from Cabo Australia. So we're going to be asking each other out live. So how is favorite and
Shout out guys.
the team so far?
Mfana Nance.
I've met so many wonderful people and they're too genuine. I mean, they have good hearts and
Yo ntwana like una church. Mfana yazi angazi ngishiya kanjani church. Yazi kube ngicabangile ukuthi yazini ngizochacha lapha kwaSiphi.
Yes. Where my crew?
Hello wena. Hello wena. Hayi kanza. Ifoni unamafoni andayika kwena. Unamafoni ayi2 ne? My boy, I don't know what my boy is crazy guys. 2 phones. Bese azi namntana ngifuna like hey phone dog. Like away 2.
iPhone.
Yo mfethu. Mina ngibuy phone. Hayi woman mfana.
I know myself when I'm wrong.
Uthini uthaba ngifana Thibo Touch?
To touch.
Yeah. Uthini Thibo Touch? Yeah guys, you see abangani aba right. You see good friends. Okwenza lijuice ibanga lide leli guys esengithathile manje lapho. Ngithathile usuka lapha eKalfontein ngisa ngapha, yabo? Ibanga lide lapha. Manje sengimele lenye intombazana, izongena manje. Izongena manje nje ngoba uhlala la eduze and I want to see her reaction too. Ne? Siya, like ifoni lesibeke va. Ngakhona angaboni like futhi nyam record. Like makangena emnyango obvious uthi. So like into engifunayo. Like noma ingama la, ne? Obvious akazi ukuyenzakala la. Obvious masakazi. Noma like akazi like that is. Akazi next. So like uzongena wena awuvula iminyango uzothi ngena. Yes sir. Yes sir. Why do you say this week? Orange.
It's not something that I keep somehow. Before I achieve my whatever I want to achieve something.
Crazy. You lie, Jaden. Movement, dig it. How are you?
How are you? How are you?
What you watching?
How are you?
I'm good and you?
I'm fine.
When the man came running, I was like, yeah. You live here?
Yeah? Yeah.
You live here now?
Now? Yeah.
You lie.
I'm saying dead ass.
He never does it, isn't it?
Yeah.
What? Like us party?
Not ganjal. Not ganjal, like sideways.
You had noodles.
Ganji.
Who had you? How
I
are
was
you?
thinking of like calling Hanin and everything.
Bro, you haven't been online.
Dog, like for 2 months.
Why?
For 2 months, I don't know, like obviously the first month is like flop, and then the second I bought data. After I bought data, the second day it was like I don't know, hacked. Let me say hacked. It was hacked.
Because
and then
I was waiting for you to be online because I was thinking about the poor hand.
done. Like sending me texts like whenever I get that little bit like chance nyan, like she'll be text like what's wrong with you and everything, like thinking maybe like
Hey, hey.
like
Hey, sengixoxa ngane kwani.
that's how it ends.
Hey.
Ndoda shayenza video.
Jay, don't zoom in. I hope you're not posting this.
He is gonna post it.
Why? I'm a YouTuber.
Please, no.
He is
It's
gonna
without
post
my
it.
concern.
I'm gonna post.
We are posting it,
I was thinking
brother.
of like calling
Like it or not. I'm not zingishayile. Then I'm ufike zingishayile.
yeah.
Eh?
It's a chill me up there, man. I'm just Benjamin. Who making it, no?
Nishai pai. So relax on.
No, that's good. You're back for good. So, why your parents? Which school do you go to now? I hope not Ellen Beach.
No more going back in Netherlands, of course.
Where now?
Like Collins the milling is focus. I have to focus on something Cause like I dropped out of school, guys.
Why?
It's crazy. Guys, I dropped out.
Jaden, bring a shoe, bring a belt. Let's grab him.
I'm very inside.
Why did you drop out?
I did drop out.
What you drinking?
Juice.
Oh, sis, Jaden can't afford Coke. I forgot.
Now you're full now. Now you're full.
Yeah,
No, my mom bought Tropica for me.
Okay, let me see.
Yo, wena wabangaka.
You know, see my cup.
Like umkabo bega, dog. Guys, umkabo umngaka. Like why uhleli so? Like why shaping it up?
No, ne. You know what's going on? I'm tired.
So you are tired when?
I'm tired. So normally, when I'm tired, I relax like this.
Okay, let me think better later.
My stomach is not that big, actually.
I'll soon go drink it. My stomach is.
So you're sleeping over? You're going back home?
I'm going back home.
Oh, you're doing that.
Yeah, fine. I'm cool, man. Dog.
Yo, bro. Like, I'm essentially good to use over there. So, when you post, like,
When?
I did not take it too hard.
Today. Yesterday.
She looks like you. So,
Like me.
Jaden, please forgive me. Imagine cheating on a girl
Like it's like you're better than the girl.
Go and tell her, like, I'll show you her. You know how so it was. And then after that, when you wouldn't like it, you know when you see another girl crying for another guy and you'd be like, Maraji, why did you do that? It was Jaden. Is that Ashley? You see?
Hey, nabangani
I
ngisuka
don't do anything. He's two-faced or something. I think he has to be talking shit about this guy. It's not just like with him.
like when I know
No, Obatagini. These people know how to gossip. They like girls, they gossip. They don't do interact. Jaden, what's your name? Okay, come. You know what Tommy did? Apparently, this is what I heard. He's gathering all his exes, including me. I don't know. Apparently, he's getting something. He wants to. Okay, if that ex-girlfriend of his accepts him, maybe he thinks I'm gonna accept this, so he can play the whole game. I'm not gonna do that, and I'm not gonna go back to that guy after what he did. You know how it is when you young.
Like it's embarrassing to go back at the same person. That
Thank you. You know, and you know when you think it is, how can I say? In grade 9, I was so young.
it's like less fun yourself.
Clock it. You know when I was in grade 9, I was so dumb, Mara, I'd never thought somebody would treat me like that. Jordan doesn't even know everything. And for tech when I'm good. He doesn't. You know when I'm telling you, this guy hurt me so bad. When we were even in the relationship, this guy knows how to manipulate a woman.
No. Channel how. I'm manipulating. She's manipulating.
I need to charge your money.
But I love Jaden.
I love you too.
But I did it when I did it, ne? Also when I also came to the realization, I'm doing it for Jaden to finally know that he's not supposed to cheat on a woman. He is not. When would you like it if a girl you really love and she's cheating on you? Like the way he loved Tepi. He loved Tepi. Didn't you treat him? That lighting complexion one. She climbed cars from cars.
I went.
You see,
Sex from sex.
I went.
After that, you're telling me you're loving that piece of bullshit.
Yo,
that
and when
he was dating Tepe, I knew everything.
Mara, why did you advise me?
You're okay, let me tell you here. And not that.
And because like we did advise the boy, like no. I did advise. What's wrong?
Come.
What's the man?
Come, we don't want you. I want you to be the right next to me.
Like it's
okay, I start watching. Give me touch.
Okay,
give me touch.
Okay, come on.
Yo.
Music producer. Jaden, stop it. Come on. I have faith in you.
Take pictures.
I don't want to take pictures. You see my cover?
Take picture.
Hey yo YouTube, this is the end of the video and thanks for you guys for watching until this end this far. So yeah guys, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram Fredericks141 and on TikTok Fredericks. And yeah guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share so you can get notified next time I go live or next time I drop a video. And stay updated on my profiles account on every social platform, on TikTok, Instagram, and yes sir, on YouTube too guys. Please subscribe too. Don't forget.